In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in GoDaddy Website Builder. For those who are looking to enhance the visual appeal of their website, images play a crucial role. They not only grab attention but also convey messages in a way that words sometimes can't. Whether you're showcasing your products, telling a brand story, or sharing your adventure, adding images can make your site more engaging and lively. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your browser and sign into your GoDaddy account. Navigating to your GoDaddy dashboard is quite simple. Just enter your credentials and follow the prompts to access the website building platform. Once you're at the dashboard, locate and click on My Products. This section will display all the services you have associated with your account. If you have multiple websites, make sure to select the one where you wish to add the image. After selecting your website, it's time to jump into the Website Builder interface. To do this, find the Edit Website button and click on it. This action will take you to the building canvas where you can customize your site. Now, you should see the page you're working on displayed on your screen. The next step is to decide where you want to place your image. Scroll to the section where you'd like the image to appear. Having a clear idea of its placement is important because it will affect the layout and overall design of your page. Now, hover over that section until you see a plus button or the Add Section button appear. Click on it. This will open a variety of options that you can add to your page. From here, select image or photo based on what's available in your template. Clicking it will prompt you to either upload a new image or choose one from your gallery. Go ahead and click on Upload, and this will open a file explorer on your computer. Browse through your folders, and once you find the image you want, click Open. This action will upload the image to your website. Once your image appears on the page, you can adjust it to fit your needs. Hover over the image and you'll find resizing options along its edges. You can drag these points to change the size of the image. Additionally, if you need to reposition it, simply click and drag the image to where you want it. It's vital to ensure that your images are properly optimized before uploading so that the page doesn't slow down. Large images can affect load time, so consider your file size. Finally, after you've positioned and resized your image just the way you like it, don't forget to hit Publish or Save to make sure your changes are live on your site. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a visually appealing component to your website. Adding images can significantly enhance the visual impact of your pages, so feel free to be creative with your selection and placement. Thanks for watching, and I hope your website now looks as amazing as you imagined.